Oh, you didn't start it yet?
Oh no. Okay, it's starting now. It starts.
Hi guys. I was getting thing out of the grass, a fishing rod thing in the grass.
Okay, go.
What?
You can start talking.
I am.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, this is Avin
And Kaya.
Well, today I have Avin with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Hi. And so it's a beautiful day in Florida. We were fishing. Well, it's actually nighttime right now, but not like bedtime yet. But like, I really want to take a nap because I had a hard day at school today. But we are fishing, and it's his first time fishing. Say yay!
Yay.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is just like hang out, have dinner with some fam, and then get ready for bed and take a nap. We'll take sleep. He actually is my next door neighbor. He's not my brother, if anybody asks. No, he's not my brother. He has a sister and he has another brother. They live in that house way over there. That's my house, but it's like our next door neighbor. So he's like way over there. There's another house way over there, but you probably can't see it. It's way over there, that green one. Okay, so